volume of the combination of solids. So first what we need is the formulas to find the volume, which you have already learned in 9th standard. So volume of a cube is equal to a cube, where A is one side, and volume of the cuboid is LBH, where L is the length, B is the breadth, and H is the height. Volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, where r is the radius and h is the height. Volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of a hemisphere is just half of the volume of the sphere, which is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Then we can start exercise 13.2, first question. The question is this: a solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both radii are equal to 1 centimeter and height of the cone is also equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. See, it is actually a cone standing on a hemisphere. A cone standing on a hemisphere, in which what is given is the height of the cone is equal to the radius of the cone, that means 1 centimeter itself, and radius is 1 centimeter, and hemisphere we need only radius, that is also equal to 1 centimeter. So volume of this we have to find, that means volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere, volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. So formula for finding the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube, which we have to find. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r is 1, h is also 1. So 1 into 1 plus 2 by 3 pi into 1 cube, which is equal to 22. In terms of pi we need, so we don't want to change it as 22 by 7. We need the answer in terms of pi, so we can keep pi as it is. So 1 by 3 pi plus 2 by 3 pi. What is the answer? It is equal to 3 by 3 pi, which is equal to pi centimeter cube. This is the answer. We got the volume of this in terms of pi. So the volume is pi centimeter cube. Don't forget to write the unit. If you're not writing, you will lose the marks there. So pi centimeter cube. Next question. Second question. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with 2 cones attached. A cylinder with 2 cones attached. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. Diameter of the model is 3 centimeter and its length is 12 centimeter. Total length is given as 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2, the height of the cone is given as 2 centimeter. Find the volume of the air contained in the model that Rachel made. We have to find the volume of this model. That means we have to find the volume of the cylinder plus volume of 2 cones. So what are the measurements given? Both the radii are equal. So radius of the cylinder is, diameter is given as 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So cylinder radius is 3 by 2 and cone radius is also 3 by 2. Then height of the cone is given as 2 and total height is given as 12. So how can you find the height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder is equal to 12 minus 2 minus 2, which is equal to 12 minus 4. What is the answer? 8 centimeter. So height of the cone. Height of the cone is 8 centimeter. Height of the cone is 8 centimeter. So what do you have to find? Required volume. Required volume is equal to volume of the cylinder plus 2 times volume of the cone. What's the formula to find the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h plus 2 times 1 by 3 pi r square h1, because both the heights are different. So, we have to use another variable here. So, one is h, other is h1, and we can write this as pi into, what is r? R is 3 by 2. Don't make it as decimal. Keep as 3 by 2 itself. Into 3 by 2 into, what is the height? 8 plus 2 by 3 into pi into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 2. 2 is the height. So, we can cancel some. Here we cannot cancel. Yes. So, it is 18 pi plus, here symbol pi, it is 18 pi plus 3 pi, 3 is here. So, it is 21 pi, which you can write as 21 into 22 by 7. So, 7 3s are 21. So, 66, and the unit is centimeter. So, 66 centimeter cube. That is the required volume. The next question, a gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamun, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with a length 5 cm and diameter 28 cm. This is the shape. The shape is this, a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. So, what you have to find is, actually you have to find the volume of this, that means volume of the cylinder plus 2 into volume of the hemisphere. For that, first what they have given us, height, the length is 5 centimeter. The total length is given as 5 centimeter and the diameter is given as 2.8. So, radius is 1.4 centimeter. Radius is 1.4 centimeter and the height of the cylinder, what do you have to do? You have to subtract this length from that. This length means it is exactly the radius. So, 1.4 you have to subtract from that. So, which you are getting as 5 minus 2.8. 5 minus 2.8, which is equal to 2.2 centimeter. So, volume of one gulab jamun is equal to volume of the cylinder plus 2 into volume of the hemisphere, which you can write as 22 by 7 into, what is the radius, is 1.4. 1.4 into 1.4 into h is 2.2 plus 2 into 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1.4, 3 times 1.4 into 1.4 into 1.4. So, you can cancel some numbers, it's 0.2, and here also you can cancel one, it's 0.2. So, final answer is 25.05 centimeter cube. This is the final answer. So, you have to do the calculation properly. So, the final answer, the volume of 1 is 25.05. What is given? How many are there? 45 are there. So, you have to find volume of 45 gulab jamun. It is equal to 45 into 25.05. Which is equal to 45, what we need is 30% of this. We need up to that, final answer only we need. So, what is given is the sugar syrup is about 30% of its volume. This is actually the total volume of this. So what we need is 30% of this. So 30% of the volume is equal to of the volume is equal to 30 by 100 into 45 into 25.05 centimeter cube. This is also centimeter cube. So what we need is sugar syrup of 30% of volume. What you have to find is find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45. So this is the answer, which is actually equal to 338.17 centimeter cube. So it is equal to 338.17 centimeter cube. So question number 4. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold the pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 cm by 30 cm by 3.5 cm. The radius of each of the depressions is 0.5 cm and the depth is 1.4 cm. Find the volume of the entire stand. See, a wooden cuboid stand in which how many conical depressions? 4 conical depressions are given. A cuboid stand in which 4 conical depressions are given. So how can you find the total amount of the wood? It is actually we have to eliminate this volume of 4 cones from the cuboid. That is, volume of the wood is equal to volume of the cuboid minus 4 into volume of the cone. So what is given is cuboid length is given as 15 centimeter, breadth is given as 10 centimeter and height is given as 3.5 centimeter, and the cone, what is given? Height is given as 1.4 centimeter and radius is given as 0.5 centimeter. So this is equal to what is the formula to find the volume of the cuboid? LBH, and volume of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus 4 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r is 0.5, 0.5 into 0.5 into 1.4. So which is equal to 525 minus 1.467, which is equal to 523.53 centimeter cube.